أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والنازعات غرقا والناشطات نشطا والسابحات سبحا فالسابقات سبقا فالمدبرات أمرا يوم ترجف الراجفة تتبعها الرادفة قلوب يومئذ واجفة أبصارها خاشعة يقولون أين لمردودون في الحافرة صدق الله العلي العظيم. Ninth class lecture number 41 and energy producing organelle. Mitochondria spelling is mitochondria mitochondria with having two membrane. One is a inner membrane, one is a outer membrane, one is a inner membrane and one is the outer membrane. And inner membrane consists of foldings. Inner membrane consists of foldings, mean they are much folding. Anything is folding in your body like intestine, you must understand that folding is just because to increase the surface area. Look here, this line has less surface area. If you will count from here to there, that will be less in measurement, and when you will fold this like this one, the surface area will be more, and you can calculate from here to here, because that is folded, surface area will be more, so surface area will be counted. So this is the shape of mitochondria, just like sole of slipper, just like a paramecium, and it has two type of the membrane, inner membrane and the outer membrane. You can see that is the inner membrane, that is the inner membrane, and that is the outer membrane. And outer membrane is not much important. Inner membrane, I told you that it is most, this is most important. This importance is due to the reason that all type of reactions of respiration takes place here. I told you that respiration reaction takes place in mitochondria. Respiration reaction is not simple reaction which I am speaking, like I spoke that glucose react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. This is not the simple chemical reaction only take place. Actually this reaction is the mixture of lot of reactions, other reactions, which you will study in this chapter as well, in respiration, in the respiration chapter. But I will tell you the maximum number of reactions you will study in senior classes, and this reaction in which glucose react with oxygen, that is the summary of those multiple reactions take place in mitochondria. Mean, of course reactant is glucose, C6H12O6 glucose, but of course the reactant is oxygen, but it never change into energy in just one chemical reaction, that carbon dioxide and water will be produced and energy will be produced spontaneously, suddenly in one chemical reaction. No, there are many other reactions like Krebs cycle reaction, electron transport chain, and those reactions, some of them you will study in 9th class also, but most of them you will study in the senior classes. So those chemical reactions which are maximum in numbers in mitochondria, those takes place in these foldings. That's why these foldings are so important. And these foldings are named. Outer membrane is not named. These foldings are named, and these foldings are named only because of the reason, because they are basically the area in which these respiration reaction take place and energy will be produced. And these chemical reactions will not take place, energy will not be produced, and more living things will not be able to survive, because living things are living just because of energy. And therefore this inner membrane is called cristae, Cristae, cristae. So cristae is the word, that inner membrane of the mitochondria. The mitochondria is called cristae, and this cristae basically is the area in which the maximum type of reaction takes place, mean respiration reaction takes place, and output of these all reaction is the energy. That energy will be used for the body activities, that energy will be used for other metabolism. You can say Metabolism is the term which I was explaining. I will explain once again. Different type of chemical reaction. Metabolism term is so fast, you cannot say that metabolism takes place at only one organelle. It is not taking part in another organelle. Over in all part of the cell, the metabolism takes place. What is metabolism? All type of chemical reactions taking place in the living thing. Those chemical reactions are called metabolism. So chemical reactions which takes place in the living thing, those chemical reactions are called as a metabolism. And metabolism takes place, and metabolism is of two types. One is a catabolism, one is a anabolism. One is a catabolism, one is a catabolism, one is a catabolism, and one is the anabolism. Catabolism mean large molecule break into small molecule, that is the catabolism. And anabolism mean small molecules will combine to form large molecule, that is the anabolism. So question is that the glucose react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. Energy will be produced, and that energy production by the oxidation, this reaction is called oxidation of the glucose also, because glucose react with oxygen, that is oxidation of the glucose. When anything react with oxygen, that is oxidation. Oxidation, reduction, actually three definitions for oxidation, three definitions for reduction, but here in this case oxidation. Mitochondria is doing oxidation of glucose here with multiple chemical reactions, mean many chemical reactions. You will study 4 years almost in FSC and metric class also. These oxidation reactions output is energy, and that energy you use in doing naughty habits, in playing, in studying, in all other activities. You use this energy. We go back to the membrane. This is the cristae, and cristae, my students, the cristae, spelling of the spelling CRISTAE, the inner membrane of mitochondria. Mitochondria, in some books you may be studying the mitochondrion, MITOCHONDRION. What is the mitochondrion? The singular energy production organelle is mitochondrion, and plural energy production organelle is called mitochondria. Mitochondria plural, mitochondrion singular. Why there is a need to develop these terms? Because there is no single mitochondria. See, there is no single mitochondrion in the cell, lot of mitochondria, and in each cell number of mitochondria is varies. Look at the muscle cell. The muscle cells have the more number of mitochondria, simply because that need more energy. That will contract more, they will relax more, because they need to locomote your body, they need to move your body, they need more energy. Muscles, the muscle cells, even liver cells have more mitochondria, and some cells of your body have the less mitochondria. So mitochondria number varies from cell to cell. So numbers are very important in the mitochondria. We go back to the cristae, inner membrane of the mitochondria, which is called as a cristae. It consists of the particles. I am naming the particles. F1 particles. Make membrane once again. Okay ji, this is the outer membrane of mitochondria. This is the innermost important membrane of the mitochondria, because it consists of the F1 particles. And F1 particles, that consists of enzymes. The enzymes which will carry out respiration reactions. That all type of chemical reactions which take place in the living body is called as a metabolism, and metabolic chemical reaction which takes place in the living thing, they need enzymes to proceed. Enzymes are biochemical catalysts. You will study enzyme in this book as well. Enzymes are biochemical catalysts, and they will carry out these reactions. The reactions do not take place without enzymes. The enzymes will facilitate these chemical reactions. These foldings will increase the surface area. This increase the surface area of the mitochondria, will increase the surface area of inner membrane. Name of inner membrane? Cristae. Of course you are right. Mitochondria plural, mitochondrion singular. And the liquid, that is important. That is very, very important. The liquid which is present inside the mitochondria, that is the mitochondrial matrix. I will tell you once again. The mitochondrial matrix, this is the the outer membrane and this is the inner membrane, and inner membrane consists of the mitochondrial matrix, mitochondrial matrix, mitochondrial, mitochondrial matrix, matrix, the mitochondrial matrix mean that is the liquid which is present inside the mitochondria, and this matrix also consists of enzymes, also consist of reactants, also consist of the molecules which participate in the chemical reactions. Mean this area also like inner membrane also important because that will involve in the metabolism, mean the chemical reactions of respiration which takes place in mitochondria will be helped by this liquid and inner membrane cristae, and cristae consist of specific particles called as F1 particles. So students, this is a mitochondria, and mitochondria outer membrane, inner membrane, mitochondria difference, and also important that it consists of two structures, DNA and ribosome. Now you are confused. Sir, you was talking about the DNA structure is found in the chromosome. Now you are talking about the DNA present in the mitochondria as well. The students listen carefully. The DNA of mitochondria, the DNA which is present in the chloroplast, two organelles in which the DNA are present. I will tell the chloroplast structure also very soon, in which I will tell you DNA also present in the chloroplast. They are not much important DNA because they do not contain the actual sequence of DNA. They do not contain actual sequence of the DNA. Actually, the boss is that DNA which is present inside nucleus, mean inside chromosome. So if this DNA actually used to work to help the function of mitochondria, to help the function of chloroplast when it is present in the chloroplast, so it never means that DNA is a hereditary material in the mitochondria. No, that DNA is boss. So all persons having blue color and blue color shirt and black color pants are not the boss. If three people are wearing same type of the dress, you will highlight only that person with the same color, with the only person which is present in the nucleus. So mean that if the 4 and 5 bosses came to you, you will identify who is the original boss. Who is the original boss? Original boss situated inside the nucleus in the form of DNA. If the DNA present in the mitochondria, that is not the boss. If the DNA present in the chloroplast, that is not the boss. That is only just to facilitate the function of the mitochondria. That is just to facilitate the function of the chloroplast, if that is present in the chloroplast. Little bit ribosomes also present. Ribosomes also present. Ribosomes are actually present in the freely in the cytoplasm. Ribosomes are actually present in the with the endoplasmic reticulum. These ribosomes are not much important, but still they will make the protein for mitochondria, and they will help the mitochondria for the function of the respiration. And dear students, inner mitochondria, outer mitochondria, cristae, ribosomes are present, but these ribosomes will form the protein in the mitochondria to facilitate the chemical reactions. Outer membrane not folded, inner membrane folded. Reason is that because that increase the surface area. The detail of mitochondria will continue in the next coming sessions, because as I told you that I will increasing your knowledge, I will increase your knowledge with the passage of the time. And students, in these lectures, the diagrams also very important. That's why I am explaining my lectures along with the diagrams. So whenever you will write these informations in the paper, you have to draw the diagram as well, because some marks are allocated for the diagrams. And don't worry about the information if you forgot from your mind, because I am going to repeat everything. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.